In the Terminator, a machine is sent back in time with one mission: eliminate Sarah Connor, the future mother of John Connor, leader of the resistance against a future Skynet. But there's a flaw. The Terminator doesn't know which Sarah Connor. Its only reference is to look her up in the phone book and has no way of knowing which one is the right one. So it starts eliminating every Sarah Connor it finds. This is extremely tragic for the two incorrect Sarah Connors who get terminated. Despite all the power of Skynet, it still produces two incorrect results before the correct result is found. It's also an operational failure. The real Sarah Connor hears about these killings and is able to safeguard herself and avoid being terminated. This isn't just a sci-fi problem. It mirrors a real challenge we face with modern AI, especially in asset-heavy industries. AI is powerful, but without quality data and governance, it's like the Terminator, executing without context. If your asset tags are inconsistent, if critical metadata is missing, if systems aren't aligned, AI can't make the right calls. In industries where equipment, safety, and uptime matter, this isn't just inefficient, it's expensive and risky. Lost data means lost dollars. That's why strong data governance and high-quality information are the foundation of meaningful AI. When your data is well-structured, governed, and reliable, AI isn't just responsive, it can be intuitive. The difference between chaos and clarity isn't just the algorithm, it's the data behind it. Build the right foundation, and your AI won't act like the Terminator. It'll act like a trusted partner. If you don't correct it, that Terminator will be back, and he's coming for your operational efficiency, safety, and compliance. If you want to terminate bad data quality and ensure a long, cost-effective life of your assets, give us a call.